Hey guys, welcome to this new Apple AirTag tutorial, and here I'll detail how to activate and set up Apple AirTag. So when you want to set up your Apple AirTag, you need your iPhone to set it up. So this works on all compatible iPhone devices. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to activate AirTag or set up your new AirTag, you just need to unwrap the AirTag first, like this. Just go ahead and open the nylon like this. Now this is what you're going to see. Now to activate the AirTag before you set it up, you need to go ahead and remove this nylon from the AirTag. Just pull it like this. Then once the AirTag is activated, you should hear a chime, and then after the chime, you can now go ahead to set up your Apple AirTag. Now to set up your Apple AirTag, just bring your iPhone close to the AirTag. Now, once you bring your AirTag and your iPhone close together, you should see the AirTag setup page pops, and if it doesn't, just go ahead, press the side button on your iPhone, then press the side button again, unlock it, then you should see the pop, and if the AirTag fails to pop up on your iPhone, go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then after that, you can just go ahead and drop the AirTag. Now click on connect, and here you'll be prompted to select the item you want to use the AirTag with. So you have series of items here. You can even set a custom item name, but in this case I'm just going to select my keys. So select your keys. If you want to select your headphone, select headphone, handbag, camera, bike, and backpack. Then once selected, go ahead and click on the continue button. Now here you should see a pop that says AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. Tap the agree button. If you want to change the Apple ID linked with your AirTag, go ahead and change your iCloud account on your iPhone and then tap agree. Then here if you see connecting, just hang on. This is going to name your iPhone name as your key using the AirTag. Then you can see I have added Autumn's key. Just hang on until the setup is completed. Then once the setup is completed, you hear a chime on your Apple AirTag. Then here you can see the key is with me. This is because I have the AirTag with me. If my AirTag is far away from me or is with my key, then I should see the location of the key on the maps. You can just go ahead and view find my app. If you click on view find my app, this is going to show the exact same thing you have on the maps here or on your keys page. Then go ahead and click on done. Now once you click on done, you have successfully set up your Apple AirTag. Mark you go ahead and search for find my, then open it. Once you open that, then click on items. Under items, you should see your AirTag name here. Is that? So you can just identify found item with the AirTag. So that is basically how to set up Apple AirTag. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.